goes back over the top of that. On top of that. Tighten it down. On the other side. That's right. Cool. Couple of these. 4 of them on. Gonna put them on top of those. 2 for that. 1 more for this. Just slide this through here. Comes out on the other side. Slide that on this as far as you want to. Just so enough here. Use one of these on it. Alright. That rubber thing again. And again, you can use one here. I'll mess around. Could be putting water in it, but I'll make sure I get these snug first and got the water coming out. Okay. Okay, that takes that. Okay, that's hooked up to that. Hooked up to that. No water leaks. Level surface. Got the as flat as I can. Alright, this is where we're at. Got the upper ring done. Now, filling it with water. And I believe the concrete's level. Oh. This thing holds 11 or 14, about 1,400 gallons. So if you're on town water, it may cost you a little bit to fill it. Thank God I have a well and I got a brand new water pump that I put in November. And this is July now. So let this puppy probably drain overnight. Or fill overnight, should I say. It'll take a little. Going to take a little while. And then, of course, you're going to have to put in chlorine or some algicide chemicals. Keep it from growing algae in it, turning it green. Be a good idea to put a pool cover over if you can get one. So we just happen to find one on the side of the road someone was getting rid of. It's a 30-footer, but it'll cover the whole pool. So anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we will see how all this turns out. Well, unfortunately, concrete pad is not level, so that's what happens. My water's rolling over here, filling out the wall. So that's not gonna get it. Holy cow, it's heavy already. So that didn't work. It looks like I'm gonna have to take it down below where it's a little leveler. That's what it says. Make sure your area is level. You're gonna have this issue. So back to the drawing board. What I'm gonna have to do is I've got another area down here that is technically level, and I can keep moving. You just keep moving it around till it does become level. Unfortunately, it's further away, so the hose has got to come down this way. The electric has got to come down this way. So that's the only that's what happens when you have this particular issue. So looks like it's gonna go right in here. So let's get to it. I've got it all together. And I didn't add in that last video that you actually have a filler or a drain. Filler or a drain right here. Whichever way you want to go with it. I'm going to blow this back up again, so at least I have a circle that I can drag down there. I don't have to have the, I don't know, might be alright. Bring the compressor, everything down there again. This was going to be the perfect location. It wound up not being that way. It might have been level in the day, but probably over the years, because it's been here for at least 20 years. I think. All great. I got to deal with wind. That's all going down. Whoa, this is going down below. This kind of sucks. Okay, so this time around, taking the tarp. I'm not going to worry about the pad because I got the ground down here to deal with. figure out how level this is. As I start to fill it. Yeah, water's still in it. See already, I'm not level in here. I need to be in this little gully.